Hello all dear friends, welcome to the Binary Beans channel. In today's video, I want to trade using a simple trading strategy without using indicators. A profitable trading strategy that I previously taught on the channel and was very popular with users. These trades will help you learn the strategy well and gain a proper understanding of the trading method with it. Okay, let's move on to today's video. Well, a strategy was previously taught on the channel, which was based on counting candles on swings and in the direction of the trend. In the previous video, I explained this strategy to you that first you need to determine the direction of the trend. In the direction of the trend, determine the range of buyers and sellers by drawing a trend line. And then, based on the repetition of the past behavior of the chart, on the new swing you find 3 candles of the same color and then start counting. For example, look here. Earlier, on this trend line, we had green candles forming and the start of the uptrend. And then, here we would count the candles. 1, 2, 3, and then here we would enter a buy position in the 2-minute time frame. And for the downtrends, we would do the opposite by counting the red candles. To learn the strategy well, be sure to watch that video. I will also put the link to it above for you. Okay, I will do a few trades using this interesting strategy so that you can learn the strategy tips well. Don't forget that the trade time in this strategy is double the candle time. That is, since our candle time is on 1 minute, so we set the trade time to 2 minutes. Look here, if the candle turns green, I will enter the trade. Okay, and now I entered the lower trade. If you look here and here, one, 2, 3, and then I entered the lower trade in 2 minutes. We wait for the position to close. Excellent. You can see 1, 2, 3, and then I entered the lower trade. Excellent. Okay, no problem. We will compensate in the next position. Okay, excellent. These are the trades we made. As you can see, the strategy is very simple and we just have to look for the position for the trade carefully and patiently. Dear friends, to better understand the strategy, be sure to watch the video tutorial of this strategy on the channel and practice this method for some time in the demo account. Using the appropriate and calm market can help improve the results of your trades and increase your win rate. Also, using the psychology of candles will help a lot in trading with strategies and will help you find better positions to enter the trade. This strategy doesn't require any indicators and you only need to find the direction of the trend and decide to enter the trade using the repetition of the past behavior of the chart. So, if you like the video, like it, subscribe to the channel and send the channel link to others to support me. To register for PocketOption, use the registration links below the video and receive a $50,000 demo account with a 50 to 100% initial bonus to start practicing and trading. Dear friends, you are the best. Take care of yourself. Until the next video. Bye.